If you live on the lake and enjoy the lake lifestyle, your dock has probably become a favorite place to gather with family and friends. Hi, I'm Don Vandermeer with FLOE. The dock has become a great place to unwind from life's fast pace and make memories. In the past, the boat dock was mainly a place to park your boat. It still can be, but the great thing about a FLOE dock system is it can be customized to fit your lifestyle. FLOE makes a few different types of docks. Our sectional dock system is the perfect dock solution if you have minimal storage space, from a hill or other landscape features, or if you leave your dock in year-round. Plus, a sectional dock is typically less expensive than other types of docks. The sectional dock modular design uses FLOE's exclusive quick connects. Quick connects allow you to quickly add sections for length or for adding slips and sun decks. The sections simply link together versus hard bolting, letting you easily add or disconnect sections. If you live in an area where it freezes and you need to remove the dock seasonally, this makes installation and removal much easier. FLOE sectional docks are 4 feet wide and available in 8, 10, and 12-foot lengths. There's also a wedge available for the 90-degree turns, and they come in 2 styles, standard and quick attach. Quick attach has tracks in the frame where you can easily attach accessories like vertical bumpers and cleats. They're also used for the placement of quick connects. One of the favorite features is the easy level legs on every section. With easy level, you can level the dock from the top using a cordless drill. And the best part, you don't have to get in the water. An issue we often see with other docks is their lack of stability. FLOE's quick brace system gives each leg a solid brace back to the middle of the dock. The quick braces and legs remove in seconds. Just pull the pin, turn the knob, and slide the leg out. The beauty of it is, you can then stack these lightweight sections in limited space on your shoreline. FLOE docks are made of maintenance-free aluminum. Not only is aluminum lightweight, it doesn't rust like other metals. Also, aluminum is a great conductor. This means it dissipates heat much more quickly and stays cooler to the touch, even on those hot summer days. The decking comes in gray or alumigrain finish that has the look of wood but is actually maintenance-free aluminum. The decking is welded to the frame so you never have to worry about squeaky fasteners or having them float away when a storm passes through. You can use our Design a Dock on our website to create the perfect layout for you. FLOE also offers a wide variety of accessories to match and enhance your lifestyle. Our extremely popular 3-piece furniture set has chairs that swivel and rock and has a footrest so you can turn and relax over the water. And with the optional umbrella, you'll have nice shade on those hot sunny days. And our benches provide additional seating and are available in gray or alumigrain to match your dock. FLOE vertical bumpers attach anywhere along the dock, and they're vertically adjustable to accommodate different boat heights. They are constructed of incredibly strong, rigid aluminum, and the heavy-duty extruded vinyl keeps scratches off your boat. Other bumper options include bumper edging, flush-mounted PVC corner bumpers, and premium corner bumpers. For tying down your boat, you can choose between this side-mounted or deck-mounted cleats. We have a handy place to store your lake toys. FLOE's single and double tier lake accessory racks work great. Kids love the 3- and 4-step swim ladders that give them easy access in and out of the water. And the stairs are a great solution for lake users of any age. They are available in 3 sizes, and the accordion-style design works in water depths over 6 feet. Another great accessory for your dock is a 22-foot flagpole system. It has a solar light to keep your flag lit at night and a globe to finish off the top. The pole raises and lowers your flag telescopically, and because the aluminum pole goes through a dock-mounted bracket and augers into the lake bottom, this is one strong flagpole. All FLOE products are designed by people like yourself who either live on or enjoy the lake. It's our goal to produce products that are easy to use and enhance your experience at the lake.